For 7.3, we are factoring quadratics when a is greater than 1. Our first question we ask is, can I divide the front number out? From every term. So can I divide 5 by 2? No. Can I divide 3 by 2? No. I can't divide the 2 out as a greatest common factor. I then, because I can't do that, I'm going to multiply the front number by the last number. That would leave x squared plus 5x minus 2 times 3 is 6. I then am going to factor the last number. The last number is negative 6. I could use 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. I then am going to see how to add or subtract to get the middle term. How do I get a plus 5? This is a tricky one because I could do 6 minus 1, or I could do 2 plus 3. Both of these would add up to 5. The question is, which will multiply to make a negative 6? 2 times 3 would make a positive 6, so this one's wrong. And then I can go and factor, which would be x plus 6, x minus 1. They add to make a plus 5, they multiply to make a negative 6. Divide the front number back out. Divide by 2. Reduce the fractions. This would be x plus 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1/2 won't reduce. And then I fix. So this would be x plus 3, 2x minus 1. Let's try again. I have 3. It won't divide out, so I'm going to multiply it by the end. That's a minus 6. Negative 6 is 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. I need it to make a plus 1. That won't, let's see, 3 minus 2 makes a plus 1. X plus 3, x minus 2. They add to make a 1, they multiply to make a negative 6. Divide the 3 back out, divide that front number back out, reduce. 2 divided by 3 won't reduce. And then I fix my factors. So this will be x plus 1, 3x minus 2. 2 won't divide out. Multiply it by the end. That makes a minus 10. Multiples of 10 are 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. Then I need it to make plus 9. 10 minus 1 makes 9. 5, 6, 7. There's no way else to get 9. So I will have x plus 10, x minus 1. Divide that front number back out. Reduce. And fix the fraction. 2x minus 1. Example 3, or D, sorry, I saw the 3. And I multiply that over to the end. 3 times 4 makes it 12. Multiples of 12. 3 times 6, 3 times 4. And I need it to add to a plus 1. 4 minus 3. Then I divide the 3 back out. 4 won't divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is a 1. Whoops. And then I fix the fraction. 3x plus 4, x minus 1. Three won't divide out. X squared plus 4x minus 3 times 15 is 45. I look for factors. And I need them to add up to a plus 4. 9 minus 5 makes a plus 4. They add up. That should be a 5. Sorry. Need to fix that. Nine minus 5 makes a 4. 9 times negative 5 makes a negative 45. Divide by the front number. X plus 3, x minus 5 over 3, which then I fix 3x minus 5. Factor the trinomial. So we're doing the same thing. I can't divide by 4, so I'm going to multiply it over. When I multiply 4 over, we get a 60. One times 60, 2 times 30. And I need it to make a positive 7. So that would be 12 minus 5. Divide the 4 back out. That will reduce. 5/4 will not. And then I write my final factors. Distribute the 6. That makes a positive 60. I need it to add up to minus 17. Minus 17, I could do negative 20 plus 3, or I could do negative 12 minus 5. When I multiply them, they need to make a positive 60. Negative 20 times positive 3 makes a negative 60. So that one won't work. They add up to negative 17. They multiply to make a positive 60. Divide the 6 back out. And then I fix my factors. Four times 15. I list the factors of a positive 60. And I need it to add up to a plus 16. So to get plus 16, I would do 6 plus 10. Then I divide by the front number and reduce it. This cut in half would be 3/2. This reduced would be 5/2. Then I fix 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. Question I. Multiply 4 by the last number. Negative 4 is 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. And I need it to make a 0. Because the middle term is missing. We then divide the 4 back out. Reduce. And fix. Now, if you notice, 4 is 2 times 2, 1 is 1 times 1, and to get a no middle term, we do a plus and a minus. If I shortcut this one, 16 is 4 times 4, 25 is 5 times 5. They have to be the same number, they have to be a perfect square. And I can write 4x plus 5, and I would have a 4x minus 5 so that the middle cancels out. If you want to use a shortcut for perfect squares, or not perfect squares, for special cases with numbers that are perfect squares. For ACT, what is the product of the greatest prime number that is less than 60 and the smallest prime number that is greater than 60? is less than 60. Prime. I multiply them together because it says to find the product, which means we get C, 3,599. If you go shopping at the store and see the two following products, which is the best value? For 12 ounces, it's $36. So $3 per ounce. And you can get 6 ounces for $24. That means our best value would be $3 per ounce.